So we all know about Salty, the engine right here from Thomas and Friends. Here, this one was produced by Mattel 2009. You can see it right over there. Yes. So I am lucky that I found a lot of two green Salties. This one also made by Mattel 2009, same date, same year. Now the only thing I noticed, let me tell you real quick, even if these were made by the same company, same year, different colors, this one right here, you can remove the rubber tires right there, but this one you can't do anything. It's attached, it's right inside of the wheel rims. But anyways, so we have two Salties, right? Look at this, two green Salties. I remember I used to sell them this for $7 long time ago when I used to sell on eBay. But anyways, I don't know if this comes with these trucks, because when I get them, they had these two trucks attached. So what do you guys think? I haven't done any research yet, but I'll do that later. I'm just doing a quick video right now. What do you guys think? Two green Salties on screws. I bet you most of the people don't know these little weights help the engine get grip on the tracks. But anyways, not a big deal. So I think they look really nice with this custom Salty, the black I made. I get the idea from I saw one of these pictures online of the push along Salty. I think yes, push along, but I did not like the what's that glitter, red glitter underneath of the chassis, so I decided to just leave it as it is. As you can see right there, I did all the details I could. I never talk about that on the video. And what do you guys think about this? They do look nice, huh? What about these stripes? Really nice. I'm gonna show you. I hope I can do that later, or I mean during the next few days. I have a lot of stuff to do. Sorry guys, I've been absent from school now. I spent several days, including myself in the hospital. But anyway, yes, so it's really nice, and it takes time to do these stripes, even if the ones in front and the back on Salty takes time, but look at the result, really nice. I don't like to use acrylics paints. I always like what's the name of this, spray paint. That's much better. So this one is Toy Company 2006. But anyways, I'm talking about I wanted to talk about these two green engines Salties I get on the same lot. I am lucky to get them, and I just wanted to share. But anyways, I hope I can upload a little bit more videos. You guys understand. Anyways,